Okay, I want to do a couple of sample problems for you, as you're going to have to solve quite a bit of these. So the first one you're going to have to do is numbers 3 through 8, and you're going to be given a line. This is our line here, and you have to find the slope. And so just want to walk you through the process of how to do that. So in the book, this find the slope of the line, the first thing you do is you find the ratio of the rise to the run between these 2 points. So the rise would be as the line goes up. This is the rise. It goes up 1, 2. The rise is 2. And the run, or its vertical change, is 3. 1, 2, 3. The run would equal 3. And so really straightforward, the slope of this line is 2 over 3. You don't even need to write rise or run. You don't even need to draw the graph, really. You can just look at the examples there and tell me what the slope is. And the next one I want to do is number 10. You're going to have to do number 9 and 11, and I want to walk you through number 10 as well. So here I have 2 points. I have to draw a line and then figure out what the slope is between the 2 of them. So let's start just by graphing each point. So 2, 5. There's 2, 5, and then 5, negative 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 2. Okay, now I have to draw my line. I'm going to use my handy dandy 3-hole punch because I don't have a ruler here at home, or I can't find it at least. Draw my line. Okay, so the question is, what is the slope of this line? Well, just like we had on the last problem here, I need to find the ratio of the rise to the run between these 2 points. So I'm going to start with this first. Now the rise in this case, instead of going up, the rise goes down to get to this next point. I have to go down to get to the next point. So I'm going to go down, how many here? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My rise is down 7, and since it's down 7, it's going to be negative 7. Because it goes down 7. So my rise is actually more of a sink, but the rise is equal to negative 7. And what about the run? How many to the right does it move? Well, it goes 1, 2, 3, positive. And it goes positive 3. I know that because moving to the right is positive. So it's going to be negative 7, and the run is 3. And so there's my my slope. I don't need to simplify it. It's actually nice when I have it in that form as an improper fraction because that's my slope. I know it's my rise and my run. Now the last one I want to do here is, in this case, you're going to have a line. You're going to have a coordinate grid, and I want to draw a line basically. This is number 16. I think you're going to have to do like number 17 and number 19 or something like that. But number 16, your slope is 1. And it's going to go through the point 0 and negative 1. So I'm going to start, forgot to label my coordinate grid. Okay, I'm going to start with my point at 0, negative 1. This is the point 0, negative 1. I don't move on my x-axis to the right at all. That's incorrect. Sorry, I made a mistake. That is not 0, negative 1. This is 0, negative 1. I don't move on my x-axis. I only move on my y. Okay, so from here, I need to draw my line. So if I have a slope of 1, it kind of helps me, except I know that it needs to be rise over run. Now, this is actually a pretty unique situation because when it's 1, it can be 1 over 1. And 1 over 1 is the same thing as saying 1, which actually is pretty nice. So it could also be 2 over 2 and 3 over 3, right? All of these are equal to 1. So actually, let's do a little experiment and find out if that works. So let's go up. Let's rise 1, move to the right 1. That'll make it 1 point. What if we rise 2 and move to the right 2? Let's see if that works. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's going to be on the same line. Let's try 3 over 3, and let's do it from this point here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm starting to get into my notes. And then if I connect these points pretty quickly, can see that they all intersect, and I have my line. You know, one of the unique things about having a slope of 1 is that it will move perfectly through all of your squares. Isn't that nice how it does that? Okay, so there's 3 problems, some sample problems. Any questions with the homework, feel free to shoot me a line. I'm always happy to help.